Today, I would like to talk to you about a whole group tactic that can be used to help first graders understand the main idea, specifically how to determine importance, separating the supporting details from the main idea. All right, I will start off the whole group lesson in an interactive manner by starting off with describing how to make lemonade without telling my students that we're making lemonade. So I will put out ingredients. I will start off with the least important thing. I'll pull out my measuring cup. I'm going to take a scoop of sugar and pour this sugar into a pitcher. Inside my pitcher, I'm going to add some water, and I will be doing this interactively while I'm talking to the students. Now, I'll take my water and I'm going to stir the water up and the sugar up inside my pitcher. Now, I'm going to take a knife to cut my next ingredient. I wonder what my main idea is. What am I making? What are all these supporting details? What do you think these supporting details are going to add up to? And then lastly, I'll say the most important supporting detail that would help lead them to the main idea. I'm going to take my lemon now and squeeze it inside the picture. And hopefully my students will arrive to the fact that my main idea of this story is making lemonade. Then we will go into a discussion about the main idea and just talk about some of the factors that we talked about previously, reviewing the difference between the main idea and supporting details. And then we'll move into an informational text here called The Gallery of Underground. Now, I would print this article out and cut off the title because I would like to read this as a class together, the whole article. It could be done in silent reading, partner reading, or popcorn out reading. Our goal would be to read the article together and discuss each section, all of the key details that we notice, and then in pairs or in small groups, my students will then take all of the supporting details and determine what they believe the main idea of the article would be. From there, once they just brainstorm what they think the main idea is, they will give this article, based on the supporting details, they'll give the article a title. And that title will be a representation of what they believe the main idea is. The artifact that would be collected from this activity would be a Padlet posting by each student or by each pair. And then a Padlet posting will be created from Educreation in the Educations app on either iPads or their Chromebooks. In Educations, let me just show you the Educations, what that would look like. Just give me 1 second time to pull up. And show you the Educations really quickly. Here's the Educations whiteboard. So in Educations, each student will write out the title. Here, you can easily write. We can write out the title here. And I'm just going to put, for example, let me see. Now we'll put something like I make lemonade, and I don't have to write the whole thing out, but you get the idea. It would be I make lemonade, and they can add a picture of lemonade, and then they will record why they believe this is the main idea of the article that we just read. And again, the whole class is reading this article together, and the artifact will be this Educreation, and they'll post the Educreation in Padlet. And again, Padlet, let me just try to pull up Padlet now so you can see. Padlet is just an online bulletin board. And from there, students will be able to view each other's answers after they're done. In order, see, here it is. It's just an example of a bulletin board. So either it will be individual students Padlet posting from Educreation, or it will be pairs. Now we based on the students' needs. Or it could be a small group of about 3 students work. And that way we'll be able to use that artifact to determine, if kids understand what's important.